If you're experiencing payout delays with American Express Business, follow these steps to help resolve the issue quickly. This guide will walk you through the necessary actions to take. Step 1. Review your account information. Check your American Express Business account to ensure all your information is accurate and up to date. This includes your bank account details, contact information, and any other relevant settings. Step 2. Check for notifications. Log into your account and look for any notifications or alerts regarding your payouts. Sometimes, there may be specific issues or requirements that need to be addressed before payouts can be processed. Step 3. Contact customer support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Provide necessary documentation. Be prepared to provide any documentation or information that may be requested by customer support. This could include transaction details, identification, or proof of business operations to verify your account. Step 5. Follow up. After your initial contact, make sure to follow up if you do not receive a timely response. Keep a record of your communications and any reference numbers provided for easier tracking. By following these steps, you should be able to address and resolve any payout delays with American Express Business effectively. If issues persist, consider seeking further assistance or exploring alternative solutions.